What's up, guys? Lil Blue Gaming God here, or just Lil Blue. So my friend has done the second verse of Cringe Lif Bro, and he wants me to react to it, and he says it's featuring me, right? But that's just one spoiler that he gave me. He said he's not gonna give me any spoilers, so I'm not going to say anything because I don't know anything else other than that. So, yeah. Let's pretty much react to it. Hold on. Actually, I got a notification for it, so I'm just going to do it on the real YouTube because, yeah. So, here it is. Okay. Oh, that's okay. Oh my god, I swear, man. Oh, I remember this. This is when I was at his house. If you hear anything in the background, it's me. Okay. Okay. That's kind of random. Oh my gosh. So, I don't even know anymore. So, I'm just gonna, okay. Oops. So, I don't even know, but, okay. That was legit cringy. What? Okay. Especially that one guy who's like, brr, okay. And at start. And, yeah, so, it's pretty nice, but also really cringy. And, I don't even know anymore. Just that's all I need to say, pretty much. But yeah. So here's my reaction video, and also you should check out his channel, Super Wonder Guy 26. So yeah. I'll see you guys later. Bye.